Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about the song When I Met You by Apo Hiking Society. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. So it took a while, and thank you very much for the suggestion. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close as accurate to its original audio as possible. Also just playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. As well as we're going to be playing this in our guitar, acoustic or electric, as it's just going to be our rhythm part when it comes to playing this song, because the original audio of the song uses other instruments when it comes to playing the lead parts of the song. So we're only going to be using our guitars to play the rhythmic parts of the song. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. There's a lot of them, and I'll try to go through them as quickly as possible. So first up is going to be the F sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. A sharp major 7, G sharp 7, C sharp major 7, C minor 7, D sharp major 7, F7, D sharp minor 7 chord, D minor 7, G minor 7. You could do it like this, or like this, depending on your preference when it comes to playing this chord. It's going to be the E minor 7 flat 5, D7, F sharp minor 7, F minor 7, A sharp 7. It's going to be the E major 7 chord. Okay, so for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's just going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So allow me to break it down for you guys. It's basically just going to be the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. Waiting it out for a bit. That's going to be the D, G, B strings all together. The slapping the fretboard. Yep, just that. Bass, D, G, B, and slapping the fretboard. Yep, just like that. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the intro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. A sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. 2 counts there, 2 counts here, 2 counts there, then this one, twice. Then D sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then the F7 chord for 4 counts. And yeah, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Yep, then repeating that one more time. It's going to be the D minor 7 chord for 2 counts, G minor 7 for 2 counts, C minor 7, then F7 chord. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire chord progression, this part right here, one more time. So once again, A sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts, and this one more, D minor 7, G minor 7, C minor 7, then F7 chord. Yep, then after that, we're going to be playing this chord for 4 more counts. So it's going to be like this. Then the E minor 7 flat 5 chord for 1 count. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. yourself. You gave the world to me before I knew there I was, so in love with you. Okay, so when it comes to the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the D sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. D7 chord for 2 counts. Now this time we're going to be playing this part right here as fast as possible. It's going to be the G minor 7 chord for 3 counts. Yep, so we're going to be adding a bass, D, G, and the B strings plucked together for that 3rd count in this chord. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 1 count. F minor 7 chord for 1 count. A sharp 7 chord for 1 count, then the D sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. We're going to be sneaking another E minor 7 flat 5 chord for 1 count at the end there as well. Once again, D sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts, D7, G minor 7, and this one. And after that's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 1 count, D minor 7 for 1 count, D sharp major 7 chord for 1 count, and the F7 chord for 2 counts. Then once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence, and it all began when I met you. Okay, so for the bridge section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once more, it's going to be the C sharp major 7, D sharp minor 7, E major 7, then F7, A sharp major 7, this one, then this one, this one, F7, then 6 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. You taught me how to love. You showed me how tomorrow and today my life is different from the yesterday. You taught me to love, darling. I will always cherish you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Okay, so for the 3rd chorus section of this song, it's going to be this one right here. It looks a bit overwhelming, but it's basically just going to be 2 chord progressions that I've already taught you guys earlier, but there's just going to be this bit right here in the middle. It's going to be different compared to the other chord progressions earlier for the chorus sections of the song. Then once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence, and it all began when I met you. Ooh, you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence, and it all began when I met you. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So that's going to be the A sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, D sharp major 7 for 4, F7 for 4, A sharp major 7 for 2 counts, this one, C sharp major 7, C minor 7, F7 for 4, and And we're going to be finishing it all off with the A sharp major 7 chord. So you could do it like this, or like this, even like this. Depends on your preference when it comes to playing this song. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I met you. So yeah, that's the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And we'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.